Hello, I'm Bob Gatta, and welcome to the Future of Work, AI-driven sales and project management. This series is designed specifically for private equity firms and their portfolio companies, and focuses on leveraging innovation to maximize enterprise value. With over 2 decades of experience in leading private equity-backed portfolio companies, I've honed the art of using technological advancements to drive growth and prepare for successful exits. As Data Display Systems CEO, I use technology to transform the company from an electronic hardware supplier to a vertically integrated technology company. This allowed us to double revenue and EBITDA within 3 years. But you know what's even more impressive? I embarked on this AI journey with no prior coding experience, showcasing that innovative, value-driving solutions are within the reach of any company, regardless of their tech background. This series will provide insights into how AI-driven strategies in sales and project management can be a game changer for portfolio companies, not just in operational efficiencies and customer loyalty, but also in building substantial enterprise value for a successful exit. Let's get started. Central to this innovation are 2 powerful tools: ChatGPT, an AI language model, and Zapier, an automation platform that connects multiple business applications. ChatGPT is our digital brain. It's really adept at understanding and generating human-like text, whereas Zapier is the connective tissue, and it seamlessly integrates ChatGPT with a variety of business functions. This creates a streamlined workflow, bridging things like email and CRM systems and many more business applications together. Let's consider a very familiar challenge for small businesses, particularly in sales, and that's to ensure that every single communication underscores that the customer comes first, and ensuring an empathetic tone in all customer support communications that will actually drive customer loyalty. Our AI solution is designed to address this and many other nuances of customer engagement. Using these AI tools, we can ensure our entire sales and project management teams are properly communicating our culture, responding quickly, and allow them to have more time for value-added functions that actually grow and scale our business. These systems actually elevate the roles of sales and project management. At the heart of our digital strategy is this email classification system, and this is critical because this is the way that we sharpen the focus and the accuracy of our AI-driven responses. As you can see, we're using Zapier, the connective tissue between all of our different business systems. And this is called a Zap run. And in this case, it's triggered whenever a new email is received by Microsoft Outlook. Now, this email doesn't have to be opened or viewed or read by anybody. When it's received into the system, Zapier is giving AI, in this case, ChatGPT, access to that email. And in this step, the most critical thing to do is for AI to read that email and separate it into one of 3 categories. Is that an email from a customer? Is it an email from a vendor? Or is it an email from another source? The reason why this is so critical is because we need to train the AI models to provide responses in different fashions. So they want to respond differently if it's a customer email versus a vendor email or another email. In fact, if it's a customer email, we further classify that email. Is that an email requesting us to provide the customer with pricing? Is that an email providing us with an order? Or is that customer requiring support? You can see here, if it's requiring support, we further classify that email into other categories. And again, with a support issue, we want to make sure that we're responding correctly so that we're building customer loyalty. So we want to train the models to actually act very specifically and accurately if it's a quantity dispute or an incorrect product, a failed product, and so on. And the only way to do that is to decrease the variables for the AI models, which in turn increases the accuracy of their response. We actually train the models by giving it very specific instructions. And this is where we can give it an instruction in the first case in order to classify the email as a customer email, a vendor email, and if it's neither one of those, it's an email from another source. As we wrap up this episode, let's look ahead to what's coming next in our series, a deep dive into the AI-driven sales process. In episode 2, you're going to get an inside look at how AI-driven tools are transforming how we handle pricing requests, process orders, and manage customer support issues, all at unprecedented speeds and accuracy. We're going to provide real-world examples showcasing these tangible benefits and the remarkable changes these AI tools have brought to our sales process. So join us in the next episode as we continue to explore the cutting edge of AI in business and how it has potential to transform any enterprise.